What's up, Chrissy Crew? It's your girl Chrissy, and I'm back with another video. Today I'll be showing y'all how I installed this frontal wig from Alipearlhair. It came in this color. I was a little iffy about the color, still am, but you know, it's cute, I did what I had to do. It's straight hair, but I curled it. But yeah, I don't really have too much to say. The hair is really good quality though. I really do love it, and I think I'm actually gonna straighten it after this video because I'm not really feeling the wand curls too much. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. So first things first, we're gonna start off with my ball cap method. You know, cut the ears out. I hate putting it over my eyes, so I don't do that, but you guys could do that and just cut the eyes out. But then I take my glue and I just put it right before my hairline. I try to not get it on my hair because we don't need them edges coming out, y'all. We don't need none of that, them edges coming out. So I just put one layer of the glue and then I start to dry it. Then after that, I go ahead and use some Got2b on the hairline again, and then I dry it. And when I wait to dry, that's when I go ahead and I start to cut it. But before I cut it, I make sure to put some makeup on top of it before I cut it, just to not get as much makeup on my skin. I cut it with my scissors and I cut it as close as possible to where I placed the glue so it could be flat and seamless. And I just go ahead and start cutting the extra pieces off, just so you know it won't be light and it won't show under the wig. This is the wig. I go ahead and I use the same makeup that I used on my cap and put it in the inside of the wig. Now I'm going to cut the ear tabs off. So I trace my ear and then I cut the ear tabs off, making sure it's not bothering my ears. And I do the same thing to the other side.
Purchase your tracks today.
Now I'm going to go ahead and put on 3 layers of the glue. Make sure you spread it out thin so it doesn't dry all chunky and have more in different places and whatnot. I don't know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I just do 3 layers. Now it's time for the placement. So when I'm placing the wig on, I make sure it's exactly where I want it to be before pressing it down, because if it's too high or too low, I will be upset. So before pressing it down, guys, I just suggest you make sure it's exactly where you want it to be. I take a brush, comb, whatever, and I just brush it in. And yeah, after that, I put more foundation on top and I go ahead and spray with Got2b and then put my melting band on top for about, I don't even know, 5 minutes. And I make sure it's dry before taking it off. After leaving it on, now it's time to cut the lace. So I start off by cutting one slit in the middle, and then I take my eyebrow razor and I cut it as close as I can to where I placed the glue. And yeah, so I do this on both sides.
Purchase your tracks today.
After cutting it, I go ahead and I take Got2b spray again and I spray the hairline. After spraying the hairline, I put the elastic band on again, dry it again, and then after it's dry, I take the band off.
Purchase your tracks today.
Now, as you can see, I'm starting to part my hair out. I want to do a side part. I wasn't sure if I wanted to do straight and curl it, but I did both in this video, so you guys are gonna see. But I wanted it to be like a deep side swoop type of situation going on. I feel like I did put the part a little high, but that's okay. It still came out cute. But that's what I wanted. So as you can see, I'm using my wax stick and my hot comb just to make sure this part of my hair is flat. And you know, I'm just perfecting anything that I see that I don't like.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
On to the baby hairs now. So what I'm going to do is I already plucked out some of the hair, and now I'm using my eyebrow razor and I'm using my flat iron to curl it. And then I did use this foam, but that's the only thing that I had. But don't use this foam because it has like alcohol in it, so it's gonna make your lace lift. But that's what I had to use, and I hate it because it's so runny. It makes no sense. But yes, so I used that, and now I'm just playing around with it, perfecting it, seeing how I really want it. Just like I said, I wanted it to be real natural, and I wanted it to be like a deep side part, and it's looking so cute. I'm feeling myself. So boom, now as you can see, I'm about to start wand curling. I hate wand curling. I just feel like I never get it right, but I'll get a hang of it. I feel like it's always sliding, but maybe because I'm supposed to be doing another way, I don't know. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and wand curl both sides, section it off. I spray what got to be, and yeah.
Purchase your tracks today.
Alright, y'all, so this is the end of the video. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more wig installs from me.